Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your insights with Looker, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Looker account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface to locate key areas such as the Explore section. To upgrade your insights, start with selecting the data source you want to analyze. Click on the Explore tab to access various data models available. Choose a model that aligns with your business objectives. Next, identify the dimensions and measures relevant to your analysis. Drag and drop these dimensions and measures into the query pane. You will see a preview of the data generated based on your selections. Utilize filters to refine your data set further. Select the appropriate filter fields from the options available. Adjust the filter parameters to narrow down your results as needed. Once you have your desired dataset, explore the visualizations available. Choose from options like tables, charts, and graphs to represent your insights visually. Customize your visualizations by modifying chart types, colors, and labels. As you refine your queries, use the Save option to store your progress. Consider creating a dashboard for a comprehensive view of your insights. To create a dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard section from the main menu. Select New Dashboard and give it a descriptive title. Add the visualizations you created earlier to this new dashboard. Arrange the components in a layout that makes sense for your needs. Review the layout and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Save to keep your dashboard intact. You can also share your dashboard with team members directly from Looker. Use the sharing options to send links or configure access permissions. Regularly revisit and update your insights to adapt to changing business needs. Make sure to check for any new features or updates within Looker that can enhance your analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.